Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon.
Microwave cooking can now produce better results with the Cuisinart Deluxe Microwave, offering a new variety of features and functions, such as sensor cook and inverter technology. An innovative power delivery system uses inverter technology to maintain a consistent power level, which keeps operation quiet. This state-of-the-art Cuisinart Deluxe Microwave oven brings a new level of versatility and performance to the kitchen.
Cook like a pro with Magicook Convection range of microwaves. Here's an elegant and easy-to-use all-in-one convection microwave with multi-heat technology. It helps you cook a variety of dishes with up to 7 different heat modes: baking, grilling, steaming, shallow frying, and many more. All is possible in this one microwave. The double quartz heater lets you cook your favorite tandoori recipes. This feature heats up the microwave cavity up to 230 degrees. That helps in cooking tandoori delicacies with ease. Enjoy guilt-free delicacies with this zero-oil cooking feature that ensures great taste with no oil. So, get ready to choose from a wide variety of pre-programmed auto-cook menus or fix a quick snack with 9 pre-programmed meals at the touch of a button with Magicook Pro Convection Microwave. This microwave comes with a stainless steel cavity that helps you with uniform heating, which ensures consistent cooking. Now cook in a smart and convenient way with Magicook Pro Convection Microwave. Pay online using debit or credit card or via net banking. For EMI options and further information, refer to the product page.
Push just one button for ideal results. Panasonic's The Genius sensor monitors steam levels and adjusts cooking time automatically to achieve ideal results every time. Reheating for the 21st century from Panasonic. Combination cooking. Panasonic's inverter ovens combine microwave and convection heating to make tastier food quicker. With Panasonic's new combination ovens, you simply choose from 5 preset modes that perfectly match each type of food. Say goodbye to undercooking and overcooking. Foods taste better and they're ready quicker too. Until now, microwave ovens have been bulkier than they need to be. A whole chicken or a 36cm wide dish will fit into your Panasonic oven. Panasonic has moved the fan from the rear of the oven to the top, so large capacity ovens have a much smaller footprint and can fit anywhere. With Panasonic, you can now do more cooking in less space. Compact ovens for the 21st century from Panasonic. Auto menus. Panasonic ovens now come with advanced auto menu options to make cooking more convenient. With our special rebake menu, even bread that's been in the cupboard for a few days will taste fresh baked. We all want our children to eat healthily. The Panasonic Junior Auto menu can help. We all love French fries, but often they are oily. With Panasonic's Junior Auto menu, you can make delicious fries with just a tiny fraction of the oil, healthier for the whole family. for tastier, healthier food, fast. Choose Panasonic's advanced auto menu options. Family cooking for the 21st century from Panasonic.
Panasonic.
This new multifunctional oven is designed to be easy to use for healthy, everyday, and special day cooking. It has 4 functions: microwave, broil, convection bake, and steam for cooking multiple healthy dishes. One of the oven's best features is its extra powerful steaming. Functionality is enhanced for 2-level steaming. Powerful steam fills the entire oven, doubling cooking capacity. Seal in precious nutrients with steam cooking. Another key feature is combination cooking. The oven offers a 6-combination cooking program. Use 2 or 3 of its 4 functions at once. When you combine the microwave and convection functions, a whole chicken can be cooked 25 minutes faster than with convection only. Combination cooking shortens cooking time, a big help for busy families. Another distinctive feature is the oven's flat heater. This model has a flat heater. It is heating throughout the oven. The flat heater also makes cleaning much easier. The minimalistic, simple design fits elegantly into your kitchen.